Welcome to our journey into the world of cucumbers. Today, we'll explore the fascinating process of planting and harvesting cucumbers, and later, we'll learn how to turn them into delicious pickles. It all begins with the humble cucumber seed. These remarkable seeds come in a unique shade of blue. They are readily available in gardening stores or can be harvested from mature cucumbers. To plant cucumbers, you'll need a sunny spot in your garden with well-draining soil. Start by preparing the soil, removing any weeds or rocks, and adding organic matter for added nutrients. Next, sow the blue cucumber seeds about 1 inch deep into the soil, spacing them about 12 inches apart. Cover them gently with soil and water them well. Make sure to provide a trellis or support system for the vines to climb as they grow. Within a week or two, you'll see the cucumber plants emerge from the soil, showcasing their delicate leaves. Ensure that the soil remains consistently moist, but not waterlogged, as cucumbers require adequate hydration to thrive. After successful pollination, the miracle happens: tiny cucumbers begin to form. With time, they grow longer, firmer, and develop their signature green color. Carefully cut the cucumbers from the vine using a sharp knife or garden shears, ensuring you leave a small stem attached. Avoid twisting or pulling, as it may damage the plant. Now, let's dive into the art of pickling cucumbers. Pickling is a great way to preserve the cucumber's freshness and enjoy their tangy flavor throughout the year. Start by thoroughly washing the cucumbers to remove any dirt or debris. Then, trim the ends and cut them into desired shapes, slices, spears, or whole pickles. Next, prepare the pickling brine by combining water, vinegar, salt, sugar, and your choice of spices. Bring the mixture to a boil, allowing the flavors to meld together. Place the cucumber slices or whole cucumbers into sterilized jars, ensuring they are packed tightly. Pour the hot pickling brine over the cucumbers, leaving a small headspace at the top of the jar. Seal the jars with sterilized lids, and let them cool at room temperature. The pickles will need time to develop their tangy taste and crispy texture, so it's best to refrigerate them for a few weeks before enjoying. And there you have it, the remarkable journey of cucumbers, from planting and harvesting to the delightful process of pickling. Whether you enjoy them fresh or pickled, cucumbers are a versatile and delicious addition to any meal. Thank you for joining us on this green adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and delicious recipes. Happy gardening and bon appetit!